Hi, hello, greetings to the respected examiners, lecturers, and my fellow viewers who are watching this video. I am Bharat, a final year Bachelor of Agrotechnology student from the Faculty of Agro-based Industry from Universiti Malaysia Kelantan. Today, I am honored to present my 16 week of industrial training experience at Huachang Growmax Sdn. During this internship, I was exposed to various of fields to fertilizer technology, laboratory nutrient analysis, quality control, agronomic field evaluation, and agricultural research. Throughout this presentation, in this video, I will share the organization, my internship activities, technical projects, and the professional competencies that I developed throughout these 16 weeks of my training. Before begin, firstly, I would like to acknowledge my sincere appreciation to Huachang Growmax Sdn for accepting me as an industrial trainee and providing an excellent learning environment. My heartfelt thanks goes to my industrial supervisor for these 16 weeks, Mr. Ku, whose continuous guidance, technical expertise, and encourage greatly contribute to my learning experience. I also wish to thank the laboratory and technical staff for patiently teaching me laboratory procedures and quality control techniques and more. Finally, I would like to express my gratitude to my academic advisor and the Faculty of Agro-based Industry, Universiti Malaysia Kelantan for their continuous support throughout my industrial training. Starting off with introduction of Huachang Growmax. Huachang Growmax Sdn is a Malaysian agricultural technology company established in 2012. The company collaborates with Jiangsu Huachang Chemical from China to manufacture premium fertilizers specifically developed for Malaysian agricultural conditions. Its vision is to become a leading provider of innovative agricultural solutions throughout Southeast Asia. Meanwhile, its mission is to empower farmers by providing high-quality fertilizers products such as humiking, soluble fertilizers, T-balance, and others. To add on, technical expertise and sustainable agricultural practices that improve crop productivity are also their missions. Currently, the Huachang Growmax have achieved Malaysian Book of Records for most China compound fertilizer imported in a year. Huachang Growmax operates to several key departments that work together to ensure efficient product development and customer support. The head of company is Mr. Ngan, who is managing director. The management team oversees the company's strategic direction, while the technical and agronomic department focus on fertilizer formulation, laboratory analysis, crop nutrition, and field consultation, which I also was a part of Agronomic too. The sales and marketing department promotes product and provides technical recommendations to farmers, while the administration department manages daily business operation. The company offers a wide range of agricultural products including water-soluble NPK, fertilizers, liquid fertilizers, compound fertilizers, humic acid products, and specialty fertilizers. Besides manufacturing fertilizers, Huachang Growmax also provides agronomic consultation, soil analysis, field evaluation, and technical support to help farmers improve crop productivity and meet their vision and mission. Thank you. One of the most memorable aspects of my internship period was participating in agronomic field visits across different crop production systems. At the sugarcane plantation, I collected growth data including plant height, chlorophyll content using a spot meter, stem diameter, and internode measurements to evaluate crop performance. At the durian farm, I observed nutrient management practices and diagnosed pest and disease problems under the guidance of experienced agronomists. I also participated in a field trial at a vegetable farm where I monitored spinach growth to evaluate the effectiveness of newly formulated liquid fertilizers developed by the company. Another valuable experience was visiting an oil palm plantation to perform soil analysis by measuring soil pH, NPK content, and electrical conductivity using portable soil testing equipment. These field visits significantly enhanced my understanding of how scientific knowledge is translated into practical agronomic solutions. The most valuable experience throughout my internship was applying agronomic knowledge through both laboratory and field activities. In the laboratory, I formulated water-soluble fertilizers, conducted nutrient analysis, and performed quality control testing. I became proficient in using analytical instruments such as the HANA quality parameter photometer for determining magnesium, potassium, phosphorus, and nitrogen concentrations. Beyond laboratory work, I participated in crop monitoring, identify the nutrient deficiencies, evaluate pest problems, and interpreted analytical data to produce technical reports and agronomic recommendations. These experiences strengthened my analytical thinking, problem-solving ability, and technical competency, while improving my confidence in applying scientific knowledge to real agricultural challenges. This timeline summarizes my 16 weeks of my industrial training journey. During the early weeks, I focused on company orientation, laboratory safety, quality control testing, and fertilizer formulation. Middle phase involved nutrient analysis, magnesium determination, potassium analysis, field monitoring, and laboratory quality assurance. In the later weeks, I expanded my experience by participating in trichoderma research, pest identification, soil testing, fertilizer storage evaluation, compost preparation, product packaging, and customer demonstration. Overall, the internship period, I provided comprehensive exposure to laboratory analysis, agronomic consultancy, and product development and commercial agricultural operations. I was assigned 2 laboratory-based technical projects related to fertilizer nutrient analysis. The first project focused on determining the magnesium oxide content in field-grade Kieserite fertilizer. The samples underwent acid digestion followed by dilution before analysis using the HANA multi-parameter photometer. The measured magnesium concentration was then converted into MgO values and compared with the manufacturer's specifications. The result confirmed that the fertilizer complied with the required quality standards, demonstrating consistency in nutrient composition. The second project involved evaluating potassium content in field-grade MOP, which is called as muriate of potash, and sulfate of potash, known as SOP. Following sample preparation and dilution, potassium concentration was determined using the HANA analytical instrument. Both fertilizers met their labeled specification, although SOP demonstrated slightly higher potassium recovery. This project enhanced my laboratory skills in sample preparation, analytical testing, and data interpretation and quality assurance. My third project involved evaluating 2 newly formulated liquid fertilizers, namely liquid nitrogen plus trace elements and liquid amino acid fertilizers on spinach. The objective was to determine their effectiveness in improving plant growth under field conditions before commercialization. The primary parameter measured was chlorophyll content using smart meter alongside plant height, leaf count, and overall plant vigor. Measurements were recorded before fertilizer application and during subsequent field visits. The results showed noticeable improvement in chlorophyll readings and overall plant growth following fertilizer application. This project provided valuable experience in field trial management and agronomic data experience. In addition to the technical projects, I participated in numerous laboratory field and research activities. Laboratory work included solubility, hardness, density, moisture, and pH testing, as well as preparation of material safety data sheets. In research, I conducted a trichoderma cultivation experiment and identified the strip flea beetle using microscopic observation. Field activities included sugarcane growth monitoring, oil palm soil assessment, pest diagnosis, and soil fertility evaluation. These experiences broadened my practical understanding of integrated agricultural production systems. In conclusion, this industrial training program has been one of the most valuable learning experiences throughout my academic journey. It enabled me to integrate the theoretical knowledge with practical industrial applications in fertilizer technology, laboratory analysis, and agronomic consultancy. The internship enhanced my technical competency in nutrient analysis, fertilizer formulation, quality control, field diagnostic, and scientific reporting. Most importantly, it strengthened my communication skills, teamwork, professionalism, and critical thinking. I am confident that the knowledge and experience gained throughout these 16 weeks will serve as strong foundation for my future career in the agricultural industry and contribute toward sustainable agricultural development. Based on my internship experience, I would like to propose several suggestions. For Universiti Malaysia Kelantan, I recommend strengthening collaboration with industry partners and organizing industrial training sharing section involving senior student and alumni to better prepare future interns. For the industry, I encourage greater student involvement in research and development projects, as well as increased exposure to commercial operations and customer engagement. Finally, for myself, I aim to further improve my data analysis skills and continue developing my expertise in agronomy, fertilizer technology, and sustainable crop production. That concludes my presentation on my industrial training experience at Huachang Growmax. Thank you very much for your attention and kind consideration. I sincerely appreciate this opportunity to share my learning experience, and I welcome any questions or feedbacks in the comments. Thank you.